So in previous class, I stopped the equation up to the third equation. So right now we are discussing about difference of specific heats, difference of specific heat. Okay, so difference of specific heats. In previous class, I already explained uh, up to equation 3. Actually, see in your notes or in running notes, you can understand which equation I will stop. So I'll write that equation right now. So we will get the Cp minus Cv is equal to capital T times of dou S by dou V at constant temperature dot dou V by dou T at constant pressure. So this is equation 3. Actually, this equation is derived from entropy function. Okay, so entropy is a function of variables like volume and temperature. So after that, differentiate that entropy function with respect to volume and temperature individually. After we will get one equation dou S by dou T of P minus dou S by dou T of V is equal to dou S by dou V at constant temperature, dou V by dou T at constant pressure. So that is equation 2. Already we will know the equation Cv minus Cv is equal to capital T into dou S by dou T at constant pressure minus dou S by dou T at constant volume. Equation 1 that is. So after substituting all these things, we will get this equation. Just remember, that's why I tell you every time, please note each and every point in your running notes. Okay, so I stopped yesterday class up to this equation. Okay, so now for our convenience, I bypass the screen. Okay, see, from right now I'm using Maxwell's second equation because I want to change this. I want to change this notation. Which notation? That notation is dou S by dou V at constant temperature. I want to change. Actually, I want to change. I want to change this equation. Okay, I want to change this equation. So for that purpose, I am using Maxwell's one second. Maxwell's second equation. What is Maxwell's second equation? I'll write simply here uh, TVPS. This is called TV Pakistan SVPT. I want only second equation. Further, I am not discussing about SV better. So therefore, that equation is dou S by dou V at constant is equal to dou P by dou T. Okay. So here constant temperature, here constant volume. So this is equation 2. Second Maxwell's equation. So right now see dou S by dou V at constant temperature, dou S by dou V at constant temperature, which is equal to dou P by dou T. Simply substitute this equation in this. Then simply you will get Cp minus Cv is equal to T times, see what is dou S by dou V at constant temperature, dou S by dou V at constant temperature is equal to dou P by dou T. Simply substitute this into this equation. So that is called dou P by dou T at constant volume dot dou V by dou T at constant pressure. So this is your required equation 4. Okay, so this is your equation 4. Right now, I'll apply this equation into perfect gas and bondable gas. So I want to derive. This is the main important equation. Okay. This is the major important equation. Okay. See. This is the important equation. Important equation. Okay. So right now I'll apply this equation into two cases. Case one for perfect gases, for perfect gas. So perfect gas means ideal gas. Perfect gas means ideal gas. Okay. So right now I want to apply this equation into ideal gas equation. Okay. So we know that already what is ideal gas. Ideal gas equation is nothing but 1 mole of gas. Okay, 1 mole of molar gas is also called ideal gas. Okay. So 1 molar of, I'll consider 1 mole of 1 mole of 1 mole of ideal gas. Ideal gas. So in that 1 mole of ideal gas, what is the gas equation? Ideal gas equation, PV is equal to RT, because I already take 1 mole and small n is equal to 1 mole. Okay. So therefore PV is equal to RT. Now I want to differentiate this equation with respect to volume, with respect to temperature. I want to differentiate this equation with respect to temperature first. So I want to right now for that purpose differentiate the above equation. So differentiate the above equation. So differentiate above equation. So differentiate above equation means, so this is P dot dV is equal to, because once pressure is constant and volume is changing, differentiable, then R into dt. Okay, because R is a universal constant, and right now I want to differentiate with respect to constant volume. Okay, so therefore V times of dP is equal to R into dt. Okay, so two parts can then differentiate chesam. So first part, constant pressure and change in volume. So therefore pressure must be constant. So therefore differentiable part is volume, and the second part is volume is constant, pressure is a differentiable quantity. So from that equation, the differential above equation will gives this result. P dot dV is equal to R into dt. V dot dP is equal to R into dt. Okay. So right now I want to change these equations into partial derivative notation. Okay. So for that purpose, I'll write this equation. See, dV by dt, like dou V by dou T, because see, dV, if you take this dt here, okay, so dV by dt, this is dV by dt, then R divided by T. You will take this equation into here, you will take dt into here. So dou V by dou T is equal to R into P. But here which term is constant? Pressure. So therefore pressure is constant. Okay, I'll write the constant term here. Now similarly same, dou P by, so you will take dou T here, okay, is equal to, you will take V here, R by V. In which term here constant? Voltage. Sorry, potential. Which term is constant? Potential. So you will get two equations. Okay, so dou V by dou T at constant pressure is equal to R by P. Dou P by dou T at constant V is equal to R by V. So see here, see the equation 4. In equation 4, inside dou P by dou T at constant V is there, dou V by dou T at constant V is there. So simply substitute these values into equation 4. So simply substitute above result in equation 4. We get what we will get in equation 4? Cp minus Cv is equal to Cp minus Cv is equal to capital T times What is dou v by dou t? Dou p by dou t. Dou p by dou t at constant volume. This value is equal to r by v. R by v into, and this value dv by dt at constant pressure is nothing but r by v. Okay, so therefore you will get Cp minus Cv is equal to T into R square by PV. But you know already what is your ideal gas equation. PV is equal to RT. From this equation, see, I'm using another color. Then PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT. Then you will simply write what is the PV value? RT. Okay, PV is nothing but RT. Just replace PV in terms of RT, then Cp, then Cp minus Cv is equal to T into R square divided by, you will write RT in place of PV, then RT. So TT will be cancelled, R will be cancelled, then Cp minus Cv is equal to capital R. So you will get the difference of two specific heats always gives universal gas constant. Okay, so this is very important question, but in your intermediate level you will learn this equation in very easy manner, but in degree we derive this equation by using Maxwell's thermodynamic potentials. So that is the difference between intermediate question and degree question. So intermediate also, the Cp minus Cv is very important question. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. In the intermediate level you will derive this equation by using low level equations, but in degree level you are deriving this equation by using thermodynamic potential equations. Understand? So please note everybody, I'll move to second case. So please note. Understand everybody? If you're having any problem, just raise me a message. Understand everybody? Don't worry, I recorded all the videos. Again, I'll post my videos on YouTube. Then definitely I'll send you my YouTube link to every student. After open the YouTube, you will listen the classes once again. Don't worry. Okay? Understand everybody? So please note everybody, I'll take your attendance. Lot of students will 138 members out of 200 today present. So please listen. మీకు ఎన్ని పనులు ఉన్నా సరే ఆన్లైన్లో అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. అటెండ్ అయితేనే అటెండెన్స్ వస్తుంది. అటెండెన్స్ ఉంటేనే మీకు ఫౌండేషన్స్ ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా అవుతాయి. బిలో 75% అటెండెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే మీకు హాల్ టికెట్ ఆగిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇక్కడ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నారు. అందరికీ లాస్ట్లో ఫౌండేషన్స్ పడతాయి. అవన్నీ అవసరమో చెప్పండి. అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. మీరు అటెండ్ అయితేనే మీకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం లేకుండా హాల్ టికెట్స్ ఇష్యూ చేస్తారు. ఆగస్ట్ 5th నుంచే మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం ఆగస్ట్ 5th నుంచి వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళు. ఈలోపు మీకు సిలబస్ అన్ని కంప్లీట్ అయ్యి హాల్ టికెట్స్ అన్ని ప్రాపర్గా రావాలి. ఓకేనా? కాబట్టి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు హాల్ టికెట్స్ రావాలంటే మీరు అటెండెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ ఎవ్రీబడి మెయింటైన్ ప్రాపర్ అటెండెన్స్. సో అండర్స్టాండ్ difference of specific heats. In the first case I'll explain perfect gases. For perfect gases, that is nothing but ideal gases. Now I will move to second case, that is called van der Waals gases. Okay, if it is not perfect gas means it is a van der Waals gas. Now case 2. So shall we move the case 2? Right, see the case 2. I'll move to next page. Case 2. For the simplicity, I'll bypass the screen because one screen is not sufficient. Right. Case 2. Case 2 for van der Waals gases. For van der Waals, van der Waals, van der Waals gas. For van der Waals gas, van der Waals gas means which is not a perfect ideal gas. So whatever the conditions obey the gas, ideal conditions, that is called ideal gas, and this is not ideal gas, so this is called van der Waals gases. Okay, ideal gas kaanidi van der Waals gas. So from Maxwell's equation, from van der Waals equation, what is van der Waals? This equation is also you learn in intermediate level only. Actually, van der Waals equation is also know very well in intermediate level only. From van der Waals equation. So that van der Waals equation is nothing but capital P by A divided by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. I hope you all are seen this equation in intermediate level only. That is called van der Waals equation. This equation will be derived in intermediate level only. So pressure P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Here small a and B are called van der Waals, are called B comma B. A comma B are called van der Waals constants. Van der Waals constants. Okay, van der Waals constants. So right now I want to change this equation. So I'll replace this equation. A by V square is equal to RT by V minus B. So write this is equation, but simply you will multiply V minus B here. If you come to this is dividing, here dividing V minus B. So I want to write this equation like, okay. So right now this we will consider this is the equation 1. Okay, this is equation. So simply consider P plus A by V square, this is equal to RT by V minus B. This is equation 1. Okay. Now I want to derive differentiate this equation with respect to T at constant pressure one time, and differentiate this equation with respect to temperature at constant volume once. Okay. So first of all, I will done differentiate equation 1 with respect to capital T. With respect to capital T means temperature at constant pressure. Okay. So for that purpose, see, I will differentiate this above equation with respect to temperature at constant pressure. The pressure term is constant. Here the pressure term is constant, only volume is variable, and temperature, differentiable temperature and volume is variable. So that's why you can use differentiator. You can differentiate the above equation with the constant pressure, because that's why pressure term is differentiate, the pressure term is 0. So therefore this is 0 plus, see here volume is not constant, volume is variable quantity. So that's why 1 by B differentiate, what will be 1 by B? Minus 2 by B square, 1 by B, differential 1 by B value. So I'll write here. So differentiation of 1 by X is equal to minus 1 by X square. Okay, like here 1 by V square is the differentiation of 1 by X square is equal to minus 2 by X cube. So this is equation. Okay, so like that, A is a constant, don't write. So minus, so 1 by v square minus 2 by minus 2 by. So this is, I'll write here minus only. 0, okay, minus 2a by v cube into volume is differentiable quantity. So that's why we will consider dou v with constant with respect to temperature. So dou v by dou t at which constant term, which term is constant? Pressure. So that's why pressure is equal to okay. So already left part is over. Right part with respect to t means r divided by v minus b using UV method here, because one time is t is with respect to t is okay, but here v is also variable quantity. That's why we are using UV term. So the first r into r divided by v minus b, okay, minus r t divided by, see now t of 1 by x. 1 by x means if you consider this is x term, okay, if you consider this is x term, total x term, then what will happen? D by dx is equal to minus 1 by x square. That is nothing but minus rt, okay, v minus b whole square into dv by dt at constant pressure, okay, at constant pressure. Understand? So I'll erase this. Understand how this equation are derived? Left part and right part. Left part I already derived because pressure is constant 0, but 1 by x square is equal to minus 2 by x cube, like minus 2a by v cube into, this is a differentiable quantity, that's why dou v by dou t at constant pressure is equal to, I am using UV method here. So one time differentiate with respect to t, r by v minus b, and second is v minus b is a differentiable quantity, that's why minus rt by 1 v minus b whole square into dou by dou t. I'll write this equation. I'll move this from left to right. I move this equation. So therefore, rt divided by v minus b whole square minus 2a by b cube into, I'll take common both sides, dou v by dou t. So dou v by dou t at constant pressure is equal to r divided by v minus b. I'll move this term. See, I'll move this term into this side, okay, and I'll common to dou v by dou t at constant pressure in both sides. I will get this equation. So finally, from this equation, I'll write dou v by dou t at constant pressure is equal to r divided by v minus b total divided by rt, okay, rt by v minus b whole square minus 2a by b cube. I'll write total. This part is multiply here. It will come here. It means it is divided the function. Okay. So right now I'll take the LCM of this equation. So dou v by dou t at constant pressure is equal to r divided by v minus b divided by rt minus 2a by v cube into v minus b whole square divided by v minus b whole square. I'll take LCM of this equation. LCM. Okay. So LCM v minus b whole square. So rt by v minus b whole square. So therefore denominators are almost same. So write numerator rt minus 2a by v cube and denominator is multiplied with minus b. Okay. So once this equation will be cancelled for one time, and this is one time. Okay. So finally we'll get dou V by dou T at constant pressure is equal to R divided by R. Here multiply, here dividing. Pike వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది multiply అవుతుంది. V minus B divided by RT minus 2A by V cube into V minus B whole square. So finally you get this equation. Right now I'll write here. So finally you will get this equation into, okay, I'll write 3 again. So I'll common this equation, R divided by R into V minus B divided by, I'll take common RT outside. Okay, RT I'll common outside. 1 minus, see, if RT is common means it is divided by RT, minus 2A by RT V cube into, sorry, V cube, not V. V3 called V cube, okay. So this is V cube into V minus B whole square. Okay. So finally R will be cancelled. Okay. So please note everybody, I'll move to next page. Okay. Right. So I'll move to next page. So please note everybody, make it fast. Okay. Right. See, I'll move to next page. So which equation I'll get in previous? So I'll get dou V by dou T at constant pressure. For the simplicity, I'll so in previous case we get dou V by dou T at constant pressure. Dou V by dou T at constant pressure is equal to, what you will get, V minus B divided by T times, okay, so T times 1 minus 2A by RT V cube into V minus B whole square. You will get finally this equation. Okay, finally this is your equation. See here, I do everything. So differentiation is very, very important. If you know maths very well, you can differentiate any equation very easily. Okay, see, here the equation 1, I can differentiate the equation 1 with respect to with respect to temperature at constant pressure. Now first case I put the I put the pressure is a constant term, but volume is not constant. So that's why every time I differentiate this equation. So pressure is constant means it is 0, but volume is not constant. It will minus 1 by, like, differentiation of 1 by x square is equal to minus 2 by x cube. Like that, Like that, volume is also minus 2 A is constant divided by V cube into derivative of those terms is dou V by dou T at constant pressure is equal to here RT, but V is a differentiable quantity. That's why you are using UV method. So one time you will constant at constant at volume at differentiate temperature. So you will get first term R divided by V minus B. Another RT, T is constant, but here V is differentiable. So that's why RT, okay, this is entire term is considered as 1 by X. So that is called minus 1 by X square. So that's called minus X is V minus B whole square. Dou V by dou T at constant pressure. After that, I'll rearrange this equation. After that, dividing that equation. After that, taking LCM. So cancelling of LCM. So finally we get this equation. So after that, finally I'll get this equation. Okay. So this equation, and write this equation is capital small a. So write this is equation is a small a. Okay, because you will kept it this equation in one side. So please, screen is visible or not? Please tell me. Screen is visible or not? So please students respond me, because in my phone screen is not visible. Okay. Right. Okay. So shall we move? So this is the equation A. Right now, again, see, I'll tell you now this equation 1 is differentiate with equation 1 with respect to temperature at constant pressure. Right now, again I differentiate equation 1 with respect to constant volume again. Okay. So again differentiate equation 1 with respect to temperature at constant volume. Okay, at constant volume. So simply once again come to equation A 1. So here volume is constant means this term is 0. Okay, so is P is there simply. Understand what I am saying that? Simply the P value is not constant generally, but volume is constant. A is also constant. So now differentiate of this term is 0. See here, I'll indicate the mark. Here capital A is a constant, so small a is constant, and V square is also constant because I'm considered at constant volume. Now this term is constant means differentiate of this term will be 0. Here V is constant, so you will take differentiate only one time. Here also one time. So finally you will differentiate the above equation. So that equation is, so what is that equation? Actually P plus A by V square is equal to RT by V minus B. So this is equation 1. Okay, now differentiate this equation again with respect to constant volume. This volume term is constant, so therefore dou P by with respect to dou T at constant volume is equal to R. Differentiate of T is 1. Okay, R divided by V minus B. I don't So I don't again differentiate because V is constant. There is no use of another differentiation. I'm not using UV method here. From previous case, I am using UV method because at the time volume is not constant, pressure is constant. So that's why here I'm using UV method. But right now at constant volume, I can calculate constant volume. So in constant volume means there is no use of UV method. You directly differentiate the equation R divided by V minus B only. Here it is also constant, so that's why it is very easy. So one step you will get equation B. Okay, so this is called B. You will get equation A, equation B. Now these two equations you will submit it in equation 4. Okay, you will substitute A, B in equation 4. Understand? You will get from C. You can understand what I am saying that? Okay, so in first case, I'll explain for perfect gas also. I derive dou V by dou T at constant pressure, dou P by dou T at constant volume. After that, these two values are substituted in equation 4. I will get this equation. Similarly, here also for van der Waals gases also, I first calculate dou V by dou T at constant pressure, and similarly dou P by dou T at constant volume. So I'll get these two equations. So right now these two equations are substitute in equation 4. So in this equation 4. So right now I'll substitute these equations. So substitute equation A and equation B in equation 4. So what is equation 4 right now? First equation 4. Right, simply equation 4, Cp minus Cv is equal to capital T times, okay, so capital T times, tell me, dou P by dou T at constant volume dot dou V by dou T at constant pressure. Okay, understand? Right, see, I'll substitute these two equations. This is equation 4. Once again, I write this equation 4 because I already derived this equation 4 in previous. This is the equation 4. So in perfect gases also, I find out what is dou P by dou T at constant volume, dou V by dou T at constant pressure. After that, I'll get these two values. I will substitute these two values in the equation 4. So I will get this equation. Similarly, in case 2 also, I find out these two values. So A value, B value, these two are dou P by dou T, dou V by dou T. Now again I will substitute this in equation 4. So Cp minus Cv is equal to capital T times. So what is dou P by dou T value? Dou P by dou T value is nothing but R divided by V minus B into, what is dou P by dou T? V minus divided by B divided by T times 1 minus 2A by R T V cube into V minus B. Okay, so this is your answer. Right now V minus B is cancelled and T also cancelled. So therefore Cp minus Cv is equal to C R divided by, okay, so 1 minus 2A by RT V cube into V minus B whole square. So finally you will get this answer. Okay, so finally you will get this answer. Finally you will get this answer. Okay, Cp minus Cv is equal to R divided by 1 minus 2A by RT V cube into V minus B whole square. Understand? First, suppose if volume V is much greater than small v, if the volume is more greater than van der Waals constant, okay, so van der Waals constant kante volume more greater than aithe, then eliminate b from this equation. So this equation will be, so v minus b whole square is approximately equal to v square. Okay, v square. So therefore Cp minus Cv is equal to R divided by 1 minus 2A by RT V cube into, this value is V square only. Okay, because V minus B square. So V square and V cube cancel. So finally this is equal to R divided by 1 minus 2A by RT V. Okay, so simply you will write this equation Cp minus Cv is equal to R times of 1 minus 2A by RT. Okay, take binomial expansion. This is a binomial expansion, inverse one. Okay, because it is dividing, pike velte minus 1 out, inverse one. Okay, so what is a binomial expansion? See, in binomial expansion, okay, so binomial expansion 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 3 by 3 factorial, like that. Okay, so using that equation you will get Cp minus Cv is equal to R times 1 minus C. 1 minus after the x, this is external, 1 plus 2a by RTV. If you consider this is x term, 1 plus x will be x. So, so this is your final equation, Cp plus Cv. Okay, so this is your van der Waals equation. Understand? See, this is your final equation, Cp minus, this is your final equation, Cp minus Cv. Okay, understand? So this is your final equation. This is your final equation, Cp minus Cv. Okay, so this is your final equation. And see here, you will get, see, once again, once you see, this is one important equation, and see perfect gases, you will get this equation in perfect gases. Okay. You will get this equation. Okay. And if you come to next page, so for van der Waals gases, you will consider this van der Waals gases. You will get in first equation of the case 2. In case 2, you will get the first equation. This is the first equation. Case 2. Okay. This is the first equation in case 2, and this is the second equation in case 2. Okay. From this A and B, again substitute in equation 4. This is actually equation 4. Okay. So equation, this is actually equation 4 only. Okay. You will substitute equation 4 only. Okay. So finally you will get this answer. Right. Simply note everybody. Note everybody, please. So if anyone want the previous pages, let me, if anyone not recording everything, if suppose మీరు రాయకపోతే ఎవరైనా ఏదైనా పేజీ కావాలంటే చెప్పండి, ఆ పేజీ పెడదాం. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. సో ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ మీ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ నాట్? ప్రతిదీ రాసుకుంటే నోట్బుక్ మీద మీకు క్లారిటీగా అర్థమవుతుంది, 1 by 1 స్టెప్. ఓకే, but please note everybody, using binomial expansion, actually using binomial expansion we get this equation r into 1 minus 2a by RTV. So from 1 minus x whole power minus 1, so this is called whole power minus 1. So generally this is whole power minus 1. Okay, whole power minus 1 is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial. But I will consider only the first two terms. That's why r into 1 minus. So actually 1, this is the x term. This is equivalent to x term. Okay, so this is equal to x. So for 1 plus x is 1 plus 2a by RTV. Okay, right. So I'll write in next two pages. Next page. So everybody note. So make it fast, because already 140 is 40 minutes completed. Only 5 minutes are there. So these two equations, right now I write these two equations. From First case 1, we will get Cp minus Cv is equal to R. From case 2, we will get Cp minus Cv is equal to R into 1 plus 2A by RTC. So this is from perfect gases and this is for van der Waals gases. Van der Waals gases. Okay. So this equation is see the specific heat's difference is equal to R, then that is called perfect gas. If the specific heat difference is not exactly R value, it is added something. Now that is called van der Waals gases. See, if your volume or temperature of any one quantity, volume or temperature, whatever it may be, these parameters will indicates infinite. So therefore, if volume is infinite or temperature is infinite. So temperature infinite is not possible actually, but volume is infinite, you can make it possible. So any gas, their volume is, you will consider their volume is infinite. అంటే యూనివర్స్ మొత్తం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? జనరల్ గా ఒక గ్యాస్ ని ఒక వాల్యూమ్ లో పెట్టామనుకోండి, దానికి ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ యూనివర్స్ లో గానీ ఆ గ్యాస్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇన్ఫినైట్ వాల్యూమ్. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ ఇన్ఫినైట్ వాల్యూమ్ these van der Waals behaves like a perfect gas, ideal gas. Why? Because in infinite direction means the volume 1 by E, that is called 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity means it is 0. Okay, so now the total term is comes to 0. Then see, this equation will be written as R times of 1 plus 2A by RTP. If B is infinite means it is infinite means if this total value becomes 0, then it is equal to R. So therefore, Cp minus Cv is equal to R when you consider infinite volume. But infinite volume is possible only in universe. So therefore, in entire universe or entire this universe or the entire world, the volume is infinite. So in such condition, the van der Waals gases behaves like a perfect gas. Van der Waals gases behaves like a perfect gas. Okay, so today topic is completed. So please students, you can understand or not, please tell me. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss about another topic. So today class is over. Goodbye, take care.